Don't worry about how I look, but we about to do some recording. I'm about to try our curl defining gel that we're releasing soon. We got 3 samples, right? So we had, all right, originally we had this one sample. I didn't really like this one, so that's why I never spoke on it. I tried it out. I just didn't like the consistency or the hold. So we had 3 more formulated, right? Y'all see this? So my favorite one is, I think, is it 3 or 2? Because this one, because this consistency, no, it's not D2. This one has a lot of slip. Y'all see that? That has a lot of slip to it. And then I just got confused.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, this is the one I like the most.
That's number 3.
This number 3. So I like 3. Cause I like, y'all see that? I like the consistency on that one. It's more like a gel. So I'm going to try these 2, D2 and D3. And remember I said D3 is my favorite. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when I use both. We have the hair oil serum. I'm going to apply that to my hair. But this also can be used on silk pressed hair. So right before you curl, you can dab this on the hair. But this looks like, the reason why I like the oil, I told Ann I don't like the color because it looked like our scalp oil. But
usually naturally derived products has that color.
So but
that's a natural color.
But it looks so much like the scalp oil, but it's nothing like the scalp oil.
Yes. I'm
gonna put it on my hair in combination with the curl defining gel.
Y'all in this with us. Let's figure it out.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be taking y'all through the journey. All right, cool. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Ooh, this water hot.
Yeah, girl.
So I'm using hot water because I want to open my hair cuticle, right? I want to loosen up any product that's on my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the mud mask. I always tell people to use the mud mask every time you wash your hair. For me, I like using it because it just helps remove all of the old product buildup off my hair. You know, because anything can get attached onto your hair if you ain't washed it in 2 weeks. So I just want to be sure about my hair being clean. So the detox helps to prep my hair to be clean, right? Shampoo again, right? We only need 2 shampoos, y'all. We don't need 3 because it's a clarifying shampoo and you don't want to dry your hair out. So I'm going in with my 12 conditioner. This is the hydration process. I'm gonna apply this to my hair first because I just want to enhance my natural curls.
We have 3 prototypes to choose between. We like D3 better.
No, D3 better, yeah. So I'm gonna try this on my right side. Okay.
Let's say the sound's not.
My observation after applying the serum with the gel, my hair, I feel like it's still curled up. It really helped to define my curls. The only thing I didn't like was the style because my hair is not heatless trained. So I had to think fast because I didn't want to take my hair through that whole process of shampooing, detoxing, conditioner, all that. So what I did was create a protective style without using braid hair on my hair, and this is how it turned out. And it worked out really well because My hair didn't have any like product residue or buildup on my hands or hair. It wasn't flaky. It still had movement and shine. So it's definitely a 10 out of 10 with hold and consistency. But yeah, we can't wait to release this gel. This is more of a healthier option, an alternative to tame your natural curl pattern. So yes, thank y'all so much for being a part of this journey, and stay on the lookout for the new serum and gel.